and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I have 3 Amazon KDP niches that are high demand and low competition to help you get started and to also make it easier for you to do the researching phase, giving you the niches straight away, giving you the resources and some ideas to help you get started. Now, if you are looking for similar videos such as these, don't forget to subscribe. We have the first niche for the day, and it is self-regulation skills workbook for kids. It has a wonderful keyword niche score of 66 and a very low total results of 214. The average price is $16.25, but you can find a lot of great books under this niche, and it's also really easy to get started using resources that are available on Creative Fabrica or on Canva. You can easily get started by making your own workbook and rating your book under this wonderful niche right here. So there's a couple of different books that are also having really good BSRs, as well as having a bestseller rank label as well, which indicates that this is a really good keyword to get into. It's also rated as a great niche under another Chrome extension here that I have. So in order to get all these data, you can see right here, just use the free version of self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension. So I'm just going to go ahead and open an example of one of the books here. Now this is a book that also uses this exact keyword right here. It's not sponsored, so there's no ads as well, and it's a perfect example, and it has a wonderful BSR score of 46,437. We're going to go ahead, open that book. We're going to look inside the see feature, look inside feature. We're also going to look at both the pricing. They have an ebook and they have a paperback and a hardcover as well. They used the bullet points to illustrate the features of the book here to make it easier to read. It is for 3 to 12 years of age, and it has a total of 102 pages, 6 by 9 inches, and is also rated in the categories. Now they did the A+ content right here, which is wonderful. You can do that in Canva, easy, and it's also ranking in 3 categories, and this is important to look at when you create a similar book. So you can also go ahead and select some of these categories as well that are relevant. It is currently ranking under emotional mental health, children's self-esteem books, and children's books on emotions and feelings, and it has wonderful reviews right here, happy customers. So we're going to go ahead and look at the look inside feature, see what's inside, and some of these books do have some content inside, so don't be intimidated. You can go ahead and create explanatory pages, or you can also create some prompts. You can create some activities for children. You can use these books to seek inspiration. So we're going to go ahead right now. They do have a copyright and a legal section. Then again, we're going down. There is about the author page, and there is a table of contents, and this also includes specific things such as gratitude journal, such as activities for children to help based on the skills that we want to help the children achieve, which is self-regulation. So then again, I wouldn't be too intimidated at the high content value of such books, because there's a lot of potential to expand and to sub-niche as well. You can go ahead with self-regulation skills workbook for teenagers, for girls, for boys, for specific ages, for specific situations as well, for anxiety, for trauma. So much potential right here to sub niche. We are going to look at the second keyword for the day, which is create a course in 28 days. And it has a wonderful keyword niche score of 54, total results of 333, and the average price of $6.46. And this is a wonderful keyword that's more towards the medium to high content. So it's geared more towards books that have actual content inside them and that are worded similar to a book. I wouldn't fear either way, because with special AI tools such as ChatGPT as well as others, you can easily create a short ebook under this niche right here. If you do have any sort of experience in creating a course, then you can also talk about your experience here. And also there is potential to create a KDP low content book under this niche right here. Create a course in 28 days. It could be a logbook to help course creators track their progress on creating a course in 28 days. You could have specific prompts, you could have tracking and logbook style and journal type, where the course creators input their data into more of a logbook and journal type. And still, I wouldn't be intimidated that most of these books that are under this niche are in the medium to high content. There's always a potential to expand and to go down to low content by including logbooks and track books as well. We're going to have a look at the third and the final niche for the day, and it is empowering affirmations for Black women. And this keyword stands at a good keyword niche score of 54. Total results are fabulous, under 500, which is the total results is 201. Average pricing $10.93. And as you can see here, the first book is ranking a bestseller, a rank of 131,118. It's not sponsored, so there's no ads running, but it is selling and it has wonderful 4.7 out of 5 ratings. A total of 239 customers have given the rating for this book. It was created last year around the same time in November last year, and there's also other books as well that use this keyword. And this book is more, or the books that you can create under this niche are more towards either affirmations for Black women, or you can also include prompts, creative prompts. You can include a journal. You can also be very creative in your cover design. Go ahead to Creative Fabrica. You will find a lot of inspirational interior that you can also have a look at. So then again, thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and we've given you 3 KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We're going to go over them right now. To summarize, empowering affirmations for Black women stands at a keyword niche score of 54. Then again, we have create a course in 28 days, has a keyword niche score of 54. And we also have self-regulation skills workbook for kids, which has a keyword niche score of 66. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.